go to Google, type out open questions in science, and the number one open question in science is, what is the universe made of? Why is it open? Because 70% is dark energy, which is this anti-gravity cosmological constant that is ripping space apart faster than the speed of light. So right now, the cosmic horizon, where galaxies are tumbling into the unknowable, is 47 billion light years away from where we are. And beyond that is not only unknown, but unknowable, because by the time light comes from there to where we are, our solar system will have exhausted its thermonuclear energy and burnt itself up into the heat death of absolute zero. And we don't know what this force is. That leaves 30% of the universe, out of which 26%, approximately, is dark matter. And dark matter is invisible because it's not made of atoms. Everything we can see, sense, examine is made of atoms, which reflect light, absorb light, emit light, refract light. But dark matter is not atomic, so we cannot interact with it. Why is it called matter? Because it bends space-time in the same way as regular matter does, which means it's responsible for most of the gravity in the universe. It holds a galaxy together. And today, latest statistics that there might be 2 trillion galaxies. We may have been off in our estimate of galaxies by 20 times. 2 trillion galaxies with 700 sextillion stars. You can't even think what that number is. And that means trillions and trillions and trillions and trillions of planetary systems. These galaxies are held together by dark matter. Whatever it is, we don't know what it is. So that leaves 4% of the universe, which is atomic, of which 99.999999% is invisible interstellar dust. So the visible universe with 700 sextillion stars and 2 trillion galaxies is 0.01%. 0.01% of what exists out there. It's made of atoms, but atoms are made of particles, and particles in turn, if you keep looking at them, they remain particles, but if you don't look at them, or if they don't interact with other particles, they disappear into what are called waves. And unlike particles, which have units of mass and energy, waves are just made of possibilities. So when you ask mathematicians or physicists, where do these possibilities exist? They'll say in Hilbert space. Yeah, but where exactly? And the answer is, shut up and calculate. In other words, the universe is made out of nothing.